Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome to my brand new tutorial series, C++. So today we're going to go over installing Visual Studio 2013 for Windows Desktop and running your first Hello World program. Alright, so if you already did my C tutorials, then you already have a Visual Studio installed, so just get up to the part where I start working with Visual Studio. So what you're going to do to install Visual Studio is you're going to go to www.visualstudio.com or just www.visualstudio.com. And then you're going to click on the downloads here, and then you're going to click on Visual Studio Express 2013. It is free. And then you're going to do install now right here after you select your language, which is most likely English, and you're just going to hit install now. And then go through the installation process and get through that, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into the program. Alright, so then you're going to have something looking like this. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go File, New Project, and then you're going to click down the Visual C++ here, and then you're going to click on Windows 32. And you're going to do Windows 32 console application. And then you're going to name your project down here. So let's go ahead and call this C++ tutorials. And then here you see I have the location set to my Dropbox. So C++ tutorials. And then you just hit OK. And then it comes up with this building window or application wizard. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit next here. And then click empty project. And then leave everything else how you see it, and then just hit finish. Now you see on the right on our Solutions Explorer we have absolutely nothing in here. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to right click on source files, hit add, new item, and then you're going to do a C++ file, and now it should only say C++ right here. So do C++ file, just leave it right here, C++, and then just leave it source. So down here it says source.cpp. Then you're going to hit add. And then now go ahead and type in what I type here, and you'll see a lot of similarities to C if you've taken C. So there's our main. Oops, stream. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to do is do, like I said, just a basic Hello World output. So what we do in C++ to do an output is you just do C out. So console out, and then you're going to say Hello World. And L. Now what you're going to do in order to build, and the only two things that we're going to use for most of this tutorial series is these two buttons right here. So here you say debug, start without debugging, and here you see build. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into build first and hit build solution. And then you'll see down here it'll tell you whether it succeeded or failed, or if you have any errors, blah blah blah. Here we see that it succeeded. And then we're going to go into debug and hit start without debugging. And for whatever reason, the reason why it takes a while to pop up is because my my antivirus keeps scanning, thinks that it's a virus for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, so there you see in our console it says Hello World there, and it says press any key to continue. So there is our first output of a program. And so we have Visual Studio working correctly. And we have our first C++ file, and we understand a little bit of how to output some sort of text or something like that. So I'm going to make sure that I treat this just like I treat all my other tutorial series, as if you didn't take any other tutorial series yet. So from here on out it'll be like you're learning this language your first time, because I want to have it fair to where someone that wants to jump into C++ instead of C, that they could do so through this tutorial. So the rest of the tutorials will accept that you have no other knowledge of any other programming language. So if it seems slow, I apologize, but I mean, if you've taken a couple already, you kind of look at some of the reference stuff and figure out the difference between the two. Alright, so yeah, so we're going to continue on the series, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it, and this series and other series as well. If you have any questions, email me. The book that I'm using for this new series is going to be inside the description, so if you want to read in between the lines, in between the stuff that I'm jumping over, go ahead and check out that book. And also check out my website, LegitTechAcademy.com. That's where I'm going to be setting up a lot of stuff, and make sure to stay tuned on my channel for announcements. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Take it easy. Peace.